ISIS. You're an ISIS. What's that gun?
There's a gun.
What gun is that?
Yeah.
We're here at my sister's apartment. So Gab Gab and his cousins are playing Nerf gun. Are you playing Nerf gun, Gab? What gun is that? Nerf gun? Ate. Give me candy. What's there inside, Malcolm?
Give me! Ay, that one I don't like. What? Yup. Other games.
What's that? Sus, ang mga piranha. Sus. Gab, what's that, Gab?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I'll be washing machine.
Are you guys watching this or are you on the toilet? If not, turn off the TV. Okay, so
Tapos na kami dito. We're going home na. Ah. Wait! Where's Gab? Where's Gab, ate?
A few moments later.
Ulan na naman. Going to the laundry. Kasi maglaba pa ako. What the heck? Oh yes, I'm here. So, ano ba to? Nasaan ako ngayon? Nandito sa laundry namin. Laundry room. Lagay muna ako ng surf para sa... Okay, sandali lang po. Ay, masyado. Naglaba ako, tsaka nag-ulan. So dinner ta later ha. Oy guys, let's eat dinner early. Malcolm, where are you? Ay, naku ni mga pataan na. Gab, we will eat early, okay? What are you playing?
Vehicle Simulator. Malcolm's joint.
Who said it's okay that I could? Who said she will bring me food?
Bring you food? Yeah, but Luhua will go home very late. There's bread. You want bread? Huh? Bread? Okay, I will tell. Yeah, ano. And you, Gab, what do you eat? Gab will eat everything.
Yeah.
Gab will eat everything.
Yeah. Good.
Ay, naku ni bataan na, oh. Wati lang nasa computer. Maglaro sila ni Malcolm ng Roblox. Multiplayer pa, ha? Tingnan nyo. Malcolm also is playing. It's a Roblox, di ba? And on the other hand, Gab also playing. You and Malcolm are playing multiplayer, right? Mga bata ngayon. Mga bata ngayon. Noon, hindi, walang ganito. Ngayon, meron.
You can cheat, Michael!
No, you can cheat. Oy, cheating is not good. That's bad. Why you cheat? Let's eat early, okay? Okay. Balik pa ako doon sa ano. Musta yung ano ko, yung laundry ko. Puntahan ko mamaya na lang. Eat muna kami ng dinner early. Kasi mag-alis si Yaya eh. Come on, let's go na. I mean, let's eat na. Let's go. Come on. Guys, we will eat early, okay? And then after we eat our dinner, let's play again, okay? Uy.
Uy, what man, uy!
Let's eat na, come on.
2,000 years later.
So, it's 11:30 na sa gabi.
Oh my
And then,
gosh!
hindi pa sila pagod. Enjoy sila sa sem break nila. Gab, can we sleep na, Gab?
Nope,
Please.
nope.
How about Malcolm? Malcolm! Are we going to sleep na, Malcolm? Hey, are we going to sleep? My God, ang oras na. So, 11:30. And then, sige, matulog na ako, guys. Hindi ko na kaya to. Bantay Bata 163. Hindi ko na kaya. Tulog na ako, guys. Ayaw ko na. Gab, I'm going to sleep na, ha? Good night and see you tomorrow, okay? I'm going to sleep. Bahala na kayo dyan. So, good night, guys. See you tomorrow daw. See you on my next video. Mag trick or treat or treat or trick. Kasi meron silang Halloween costume, si Gab at saka si Malcolm. And hopefully we will go to naka-register na kami sa Ayala, sa Ayala Mall, but ewan ko bakit na-cancel yung nila, yung Halloween party or something like that, no? So anyways, meron pa kaming isang Halloween event doon sa subdivision dito lang sa Cebu. So that's on Monday. So hopefully I can make a video, I can make a vlog on that day. So abangan nyo, guys, okay? So good night. I'm going to sleep na. Bahala na sila. Bahala na sila dyan. Gab, good night, Gab. Bye.